Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers, Ulukbek Maripov, held a meeting of the State Commission on the Restoration and Development of Border Villages of the Batken region. During the meeting, the draft law on giving a special status to the region was considered. According to Maripov, the main task of the law is to ensure the socio-economic development of the region with the creation of new jobs and the solution of urgent problems, including the construction of necessary social and infrastructure facilities, providing residents with clean drinking and irrigation water, attracting investment. For this purpose, favorable conditions will be created for the socio-economic development of the region with the formation of a coordinating council that monitors, evaluates, and controls the development program of the region. According to the Deputy Minister of Economy and Finance, Danyar Imanaliyev, preferential financing mechanisms have been developed. A special procedure for forming the regional development budget has been approved, and a special tax and investment regime providing for state guarantees have been introduced. He added that after giving a special status to the region, a special regime for public procurement of goods will be introduced, and benefits for the provision of state and municipal services to the population of the Batken region will be offered.